Question 25. A scientist named Joseph Carnell studied two species of barnacles on the shore of a Scottish island. In the area between the average tide and the neap high tide, he found that the populations of species A was smaller than the populations of species B. So, in a certain area, he found that the populations of species A was smaller than species B. So he removed species B from one area, but left both species A and B in a similar area. Alright, the graph below shows the results of the study. So obviously, this is the number of population of species A. Okay, this is only species A, and over time. Okay, so in here we see that this dotted line is species A without species B, so this is only species A. And this is A and B. A and B. So obviously species A and B, when they're doing together, are not doing so great. Species A does a little better when it's not with species B, it looks like. Based on the data, which hypothesis was Connell most likely testing? A, the population of both species of barnacles increased more in warm water than in cold water. Well, we don't know that because they didn't say nothing about warm or cold water, and the graph doesn't either, so that cannot be a possibility. Okay, barnacles grow larger when they are isolated from other species. Well, once again, it doesn't say anything about the size of these barnacles, so that's out of the question. Then it says the two species of barnacles compete with each other for resources. Well, that could be because if you see when they're together, neither one of them do very well, whereas when one is removed, the other one does okay, so that's a possible. And the two species of barnacles are closely related to each other. Well, that doesn't show us any of that information either, so our answer choice would be C. They are in competition for resources.